All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at your second warm-up problem for today. It says to solve, show all of your work, and you have this long division problem. So the first step that you need to take is to set this division problem up with your division house. And on the inside of the division problem, you're going to put your dividend, 8, 2. And on the outside of the division house, you're going to put your divisor. All right, so now we can recall the steps that we take when we do long division. We're going to divide, we're going to multiply, we're going to subtract and bring down. So I have to see, well, how many times can 21 go into 1? Oh, can't do that. How about 21 into 11? Still am not able to do that. 21 into 113. Well, I can do that. Now, off the top of my head, I may not know my facts of 21s. So I somewhere need to do some scratch work. And I'm just going to think about what I know. I know that 5 20s is 100. So I'm wondering, I don't think that, I'm going to go with 5. So let's multiply 21 times 5 is going to give me 5 and, oh, I think that's, yep, 105. Because if I go one more, it's going to be over 113. All right, so there we go. I divided. Now I'm going to multiply 5 times 21, and we found that to be 105. I need to subtract 3 times 5. Oops, I can't do that. I'm going to have to go over here and say, hey, let me borrow from you. This becomes 13. That will give me 13. Take away 5 is 8. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So there we go. We're good. Now, let me change my color. We're going to bring down our next number, which is 8. And we're going to start the whole process over. I'm going to say, okay, well, how many times can 21 go into 88? Well, I'm going to think about 20. 20 goes into 80 4 times. So let's try that. Oops, except I made a mistake because I'm actually not doing, let's see if I can go back. Okay, it's 21, not 20. There we go. All right, so 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Oh, I think that's going to get me the closest. So 4 times. So up here, I'm going to put a 4. We did our division. Now we're multiplying. 4 times 21. We said that that was 84. We're going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 8 is nothing. So we have 4. We got to keep going. We now want to bring down our next digit, which is a 2. And we start the whole process over. I'm going to divide 21 into 42. Ooh, I think that's right. And I'm not sure. I'm going to do that times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, look, it is. So I know that 21 goes into 42 2 times. So I divided, multiplied 2 times 21. We got 42. Now I need to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So I have nothing left over. So my quotient is 542. Make sure you've shown on your whiteboard. If you want to do it on paper pencil, that's fine. Just take a picture of it when you, right here's the picture tool, and show us so we can see your work. We want to see your work.